Hey, what is up guys? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to reset the maintenance do now. It has B1 code in it, and later on I'm gonna show you what B and 1 stands for. What is it for? So without further ado, let's go. So first thing first, you on your dash, you're gonna hit the home button. Okay, once you hit that, you're gonna go to settings. Right there, hit that, and then it's gonna bring you up to this page. Look for vehicle right there, blow, hit that, and then you're gonna see this page right here. On your scroll arrow, scroll it down one time right there in the bottom, and then click maintenance info, hit that. So once you hit that, now like what I said before, B1 means oil and filter for B, and 1 is for tire rotation. Okay, B oil and filter, 1 tire rotation. So let's reset the B oil and filter. So you're gonna select reset item. Okay, you can do all do, but we're gonna do one by one. So B oil and filter, I'm gonna click that, and then I'm gonna reset it. Click reset. So it's just gonna reset the B. Okay, and then we ain't done yet. We're gonna reset the number 1, which is tire rotation. So maintenance info, hit it again, and then tire rotation, select reset item. You're gonna select number 1, okay, because you only got B1. So click the reset button, and then what it says right there, it says maintenance information has been reset. Voila, it's gone. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, hit the like and comment down below if you get stuck somewhere, and then don't forget to hit the home button again. See you, peace.